What is happening, my Paris? What is happening? So what am I there? So what happened with me? What happened for me? Today out in my driveway. I'm not driving. We're not a driving family at this moment. But hopefully soon by fear. So I still have my driveway. So I'm out. Give them a shot tomorrow, girl. When you see them flowers here, you know, at Christmas in the air. When you see these blooming at Jamaican Christmas. Yeah? So I'm out in the driveway tomorrow, girl. Not too long come from school. She come home late today. So as I'm gonna go pick her up. She gotta drive. She get drive in the mornings, but at evening time, me or dad have to pick her up, okay? Maybe sometimes she will get drive. So we're out in the driveway. We just start or something. So it's Tuesday afternoon, Jamaican style, and we're out in the driveway. Right now, give them a shot, camera girl. Now you remember the chair I show you where dad did a pull down from the other day? Yes, it's not finished as yet, you know. It's in progress. It's still not finished because you have the back cushions them for go and you have the little throw cushion them. So we get a little shot of how it's still right now, but it's not finished. Hopefully when it's finished we still get fish gear the final shot and small one over this, and him still have the 2-seater for do and so on. And then see him have other little things right, it's like a veranda patio. Him have these for do when him finish. So I saw the thing set and dad sit down on the veranda work. Give them a good shot of the chair, camera girl seat and front and so on. And him have back cushion leave, forgot to hear. Back cushions like these. These and then the throw cushion. Remember it's not ours, you know, it's a dad's job, it's a job for the chair. So I'm gonna put a button in here so hold it to the back, and then I'm gonna have a little throw cushion out of somewhere. Think of the beach or something. A beach, dad? Out of the beach. You don't want to come from camera and the veranda, so one away. So if you're hearing in the background, a machine around the back. Soon get in from camera. So this is what is happening. It's Tuesday evening, Jamaican thing. I'm cooking, so look here. We soon check on the back and make you know see what I'm going to make you see what I carry in my kitchen. I'm going to see what we are eating for dinner to the Tuesday. See? Look here, I'm back in the kitchen. And when they see me out in the driveway, I just take a little breeze out, my cook. You know, come in man, come man. No, we are family. I'm not hiding from it. See me have some saltfish here, so I have scald off. I have look ackee when I cook already. So I'm going to strain it off now. I have dumpling, I cook dumpling already. And look here, I'm going to cook some banana. Right? So for dinner, ackee and saltfish and dumpling and banana. I don't know a Jamaican something, zine. Yeah. So, I scald off the saltfish here. After this start boil up, I scald it off, and next time I'm going to cook the dumpling. I'm going to cook the dumpling before I go away for camera girl. I'm going to come back and cook the ackee and I'm going to cook banana. So, camera girl, she don't eat ackee. I don't know why. She doesn't like ackee and saltfish. So, I'm going to fix up this for her and cook up some frankfurter and them look away there. So, you know, say, I saw the thing set is a Jamaican thing. And you know, I want to say right now in the middle of this little vlog, Tuesday evening vlog, I want to thank you all of you guys who are coming over from the main channel. Sorry for my croaking voice. Went in a vehicle a while ago with AC, and from that I just source up. But guess what? I'll line up some Guinean weed. Hey, come in, camera girl, come in. I have some sauce up tea here, you know. Open up, boil on the sauce up tea, you know. And I saw it for look. You saw it red. I saw it for boil it till it red. Yeah. You see this? When I finish later on and bathe and so, I get a cup of this. Like all the time get chilly now, I'll get it warm. But when the time I just drink it cold. Make sure not drink it up enough. Settle up your nerves. Worse if you have somebody who work hard like me. You work them night job and something. Make sure you're getting your soursop leaf tea in. The video is over on the main channel. And if you want, I link for you. I leave the link to that video. Drink up your sauce up. Me not leave it out. Always the on my stove. All are new. Not your stove, Chris. My sauce up tea after the pan. Yeah, so what I was really saying now. I just want to extend. This is my horse up so quick, but I'm going to drink a Guinean weed. I am extending such a warm thank you out to you all. Let's true success. This other, you know yourselves that as left from over the main channel and come over and there and the Jamaican Debbie Debs, and you're showing me so much love and you're showing me, giving me so much support, and I want to say thank you so much. I am so overjoyed to know that as a humble little Jamaican woman, you know, me know young people love follow young people on social media and all of that, and to know that you're all, you know, you took the time out to come in a Jamaican house with me, and so I just want to thank you, okay? I just want to give you thanks, say thanks so much. Come on, girl, you want to say anything, even though you're behind the camera, what you want to say to them about the support that we have been getting from them?
I would like to say thank you very much for it, even though, you know, it's just like a new chance, a small chance, but thank you for all the support that you have given us. It really motivates us and helps us a lot.
Yeah, so we're not done, you know. We're going to scald off the fish here one more time, and we are going to strain off this, and we are going to fry up ackee and saltfish and thing there. And when we're done, we are going to dish up the dinner, and then maybe you see we are eat little with dumpling, not camera girl and stuff. So we're not finished. So when we catch you back again, we'll look food are ready, and you see how it's there. I hope this Tuesday evening find you in the best of health and everything alright. You know the Christmas season now come up, but guess what? We not rush nothing, you know, we just easy and not take it easy. Because look here, we not put ourselves in a whole pot debt and bill, and when January come we can't, you know, we can't and get things under control. So I'm just taking it easy. And I hope where you are, yeah, take it easy. To just take it easy and give thanks to life and something. I hope this Tuesday evening where you are, find you with a little food, because you don't know sometimes food kind of hard, you know. Stick if you get the food out in Jamaica. Yeah. So we give thanks every step of the way. So catch you a little more when we food done. Yeah, party. Dinner still in progress. Yeah. May I fix up the ackee, sorry, the saltfish and the seasoning them and something. And then I open and I hear the music. Yeah, 2 Christmas I come everybody I play music at the yard. I don't know how they happy so. And look here, banana pot are going over here. So but I'm not sure. So is the banana then white and pretty? When you buy banana, you cook it and you see it start to get black. You put a little, you squeeze some lime, squeeze a little lime, and squeeze a little lime juice and put half of the lime skin in there. You saw them pretty? So I can cover them now. These finish. Then I finish. So and that's a dinner in progress. Ackee strain out and they're over here. So look, over the dumpling pot I keep warm. Yeah? And we are fry up this, make it get little crispy. And the onion, then we don't want them get too saggy. Remember I just show them a big dinner, you know. I don't know enough video me have video. See? So the banana done. And me I cover the patty. So then white and pretty, remember, you know. Once the sea cooker can start get black. But when I get banana do, if you don't get banana, listen all on the zay and so comment if you don't get banana for cook like that. Bring banana like this. So I leave back so I can make banana for Jamaican and so. So no comment. So if you cook your banana, nice little Jamaican tip from Debbie Debs, and you see it get black, just squeeze a little lime juice and leave 1/2 of the lime in it, make it keep white. Yeah, because some of them have said it to be black, I don't know that too. Yeah, so may I fix up that little ackee. So I still have camera girl macaroni and cheese to go look bowl. And I little something. So may I tell you about it catching at the pot. So may I turn in the ackee, because the ackee with the over the dumpling I keep warm. So I put back that. You have to know what you're doing in the kitchen, you know. You have to be busy. You know? Run the pot, hold the pot one time. So my husband, you know, him love and I want to black pepper in this. The black pepper done. Hey. Remember this is a Jamaican thing. I'm not edit out nothing. Black pepper done. But guess what? I got crush the pimento seed, put on it, and stuff it color it up. So you know, it's a straight Jamaican Tuesday evening thing this thing. So when we finish and dish out, never carry them back again. I'm gonna see what I want. See? Yeah, Parry. So we look at dinner ready. You see my hat? Look here, I'm in my dining room and it's a real thing. I'm not edit out nothing. Give them a shot around here. So we table this. We can't get for sit down around it. Give them a shot around the dining room. Oh, camera girl. Okay, y'all. This and the dining room trainer. This one next at a man where they do his sorry, Dad. My kids them call him D instead of Daddy. They say D, so we all say D. So if you hear a mistake when we referring to Dad, I say that mistake is with his kids. From them small, them just instead of Daddy, them just say D. So we all say D. But Dad made this too. This is one of Dad and we work with him do. So this is my little dining room. And to be honest, me not like wrong. I saw left some bang around here, so him supposed to come take them, but it look like me have to go deal with. And these were some things that come out of the oven, the first oven. So I have them to set back. You know, your casserole and them baking something, you always keep them in your oven. You know, so the main thing is dinner ready. So we dinner here. Look, Okay, so the banana them pretty as me that tell you now. Dinner ready. This is for dad. This is me left like for son. Cause I love the ackee and saltfish like that. Just the same, you know. So this is a camera girl. She no want the ackee. This is mine. And my ackee underneath. I take the camera girl macaroni and cheese. So as I look at dinner something look. So I make sure I put that one in the tray. So when it come, him just go beard and lift it up in the tray. And anyway the TV they add him fine. They say in here untidy is dad and the work and son and the work. If you don't have male round on a son and husband and boyfriend with untidy and throw down. Me call it throw down. Please to comment below. Men are always throw down. And if you don't have that and never experienced that, comment. Alright, so as I think said, so you know so we're gonna eat with it now we have like a coke here so. Sunday in this, son have drinks. So if the son he might go for drinks, so in this. So you see, this was just like a little Tuesday evening thing because this is how we start in the evening nevertheless. But when you see this, it won't be Tuesday. Tuesday we're gone. And look here, as we said before, we all love you. I am so hoarse, but okay, I'm gonna look some Guinea and read if I come back this. Because me never hoarse today, I just since evening. So you know what happened? I'm gonna leave for you in the description. I'm gonna leave my email address. And you may leave my Instagram, well, Instagram came from our girl, and Instagram name or whatever. And I'm going to leave a little WhatsApp number for no one can WhatsApp me. Anybody who feel like they want to give Debbie Debs a little shout out through WhatsApp, I'm going to leave a WhatsApp number for you. If you call, you won't get through. It's not a call number to take call from. You won't get through with a call. It's just for WhatsApp messages only. So, if you feel like you want, you know, give Debbie Debs a little shout out sometime and say, well, go on Debbie. I mean, I'm in my kitchen, I do this and so on. We like that, yeah, we like that. My article like that, you know. So, well, go on, you know, so me I do this and this go wrong. How you think, go on? I can't say, yo, do this or do that. Because you know what happened? You have been all so good. You have been so, you know, supportive. And we all appreciate and respect you. So, we'll do that, right, camera girl? We've been doing that in a few of the last videos for the main channel. Leaving our email address. And all of them something. I'm so sweating. I go for my towel but my comb left it. I'm sorry for the sweating on camera but I don't have no fan inside here in here small. So look here. We are going to finish up now because we are going to have, well, camera girl is going to eat because she loves her belly when she see them something. But I'm going to cool off, get my bath, come back. Camera girl, you went out of the kitchen, right? I just clean the stove and something and do the pot them and sheet out of the kitchen. You want to see her face a lock down eye, but yes, it's your little chores for the night and you know it. So, I'm just going to leave it right now. And a long time we're going to do the little Jamaican proverb and the little question of the plan. But we're going to come right back around to that. So, you know, from our little Jamaican dining room to you all, we just love you. Love you. It's just love and blessing, manners and respect and everything. Want to say something from behind the camera, camera girl?
Again, thank you for all your support. We all love you. And hope you have a good day whenever you see this. Hope you have a good day.
It won't be Tuesday, it will be another day. So, love you all. We're going to eat with a Jamaican something now. Love you.